wait, it's the last weekend before Christmas. And we're going away for the Christmas. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. And as I turn on the camera, the battery's dying on me, girl. You guys are how on a hot this morning, something you guys don't normally see, because I'm going to do school run and then I'm going to come back and get my hair done. That's the mission for this morning, so I'm not going to work out today. However, today is a big day for somebody. Say hello.
Hello, Fizz, it's my last day of maternal.
It's your last day at maternal. It's the last day in red uniform. Hey, hey, hey.
Then I'll get the CP.
Hey. You know what is CP in English? Grade 1. So that's what's going on right now. We are going on Christmas break from school and baby's going on vacation from work today, but babe already head out, so you guys will see babe later. So today is a big day. The holiday is kind of all coming together today, starting to look a lot like holiday around here today. So we have a few plans for the holiday. With this coronavirus thing going on, we have to be very careful, but of course we will bring you guys along whatever it is that we are going to do. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Stay motivated. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now. Catch up and keep up with all that is happening on this side of the world here in beautiful Nice, France. It's a brand new day in in my house. I realized I didn't say that at the beginning, but don't worry, I'm not in Jamaica, I'm in France. Yeah, so I'm gonna go drop Tyler to school, get back and start getting my hair done. I'm gonna braid my hair myself, so pray for me. It's gonna be a long day today. Look at my arms. Oh girl, yes. Let me show you guys Sarah. So I have this sheet in the house drying. Hold on, Sarah. Look at her braid. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say hi. Okay guys, so it's Tyler's last day of school and we are giving these to his 2 teachers of his class and the principal gifts. So these go under the stroller, right?
And the blue one in my...
The blue one is for your principal. It's for the lady at the gate.
Let me see.
Ty.
Oh,
The battery, hold on. The battery had finished when we were talking to Sarah. You ready? Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Let's go get your hat. Hat is here. And go on her head. Hat on. Ready? Let's go. All right, where's my key? My key. My watch. Ah,
No, can I have the key? I can hold the key.
hold on.
I want to
Do it. This big boy. Alrighty. You guys, oh my gosh, it's gonna be a long day for me because today I'm going to braid all this hair. All this hair. I gotta braid. So pray for me while I begin my braiding process right now. You see all my grays popping up? Ooh girl, look at them grays. Yes. Anyway, let me go. Look at gray here. Look at all those gray here. Aren't they cute? The grading must have pop out so door. Not so goody. Anyway, you guys, let's get this hair going. Alright, you guys, so step one done. I finished elasticing up all my hair. I think this is about 21 or 22 parts. And now it's time to put in the braids. So I'm doing the elastic band method braid. So let's finish this. And the next time you guys see me, the next time you guys see my hair, it will be a few hours later. But I'll vlog between that because I have to take care of my girl. She's now done for a nap. And I'm going to see if I can start braiding until she wakes up. Okay, guys, I am halfway there. You guys can't see the back, but let me see if you guys can see the back. Let me position the camera for you. Okay, that's where I'm at, girl. So I'm halfway there. I'm almost done. You guys, I have one last one remaining. And I'm proud of myself. I finished faster than I expected to finish. I just put Sarah down for her afternoon nap and I have one strand remain, and then I'm going to have some lunch, then hot water it, and I'll be done. But I have to have lunch first. I'm dying. I'm so hungry. So you guys, I know a few of you gonna ask me how I do my hair, so I'm just gonna show you guys since I'm at the last one. So as you guys can see, I'm braiding with the elastic band method. So all I did was separate my hair into small squares, and I think I have 22 squares, and I put elastic band at the root with gel or edge control, whichever you want to use. In my case, I use the stronghold edge control. Now that I have my elastic band in, I'm going to add moisturizer to my hair, to all of it, especially to the ends, so my hair can be protected under the braid, and moisturize that. And then I'm talking low because Sarah is sleeping. Then I'm going to add the same edge control which I add to the root. I'm gonna add it to all of the hair just to kind of lock in the moisture, and also so the hair don't fuzz out in the braid, kind of like that. Look at my hair long. So yeah, put that through, make sure it's locked in like that, so you have something looking like this. And then this is the thickness of the braid that I'm using, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little piece out like that, so this part, and I'm gonna wrap it around this part, the bottom part. So I just wrap it around like 2 times just to secure it. So now I have 3 strands. Now the 3rd strand is going to be attached to this strand right away. So let me show you. There we have it. And I like the braid from the back, so I'm gonna attach it, the 3rd one, to this one. See, it's attached, and then I'm just going to braid like that. And I just plait it in. I wanna see the mirror. Okay. braid if I'm not using the elastic band method. I've tried, well, I haven't tried recently, but in the past when I was younger, I've tried so many times to braid and it just so loose. So this elastic band method is a savior for me. It works perfect for me because I don't have to worry about catching the root and make it tight and secure. The elastic does it so good for me. So whenever you guys see me in braid, you know it's the elastic band method. The elastic band method is, I think, is for people who can't braid like myself. Normally when I'm doing this, I would do the elastic up my hair from the night and then put in the braids in the morning. If I had done that from last night, I would finish from before afternoon, but I didn't do that, so I had to do both elastic up and throw in the braids today. Now I'm at the end. I'm gonna add a little elastic band. So now I'm gonna eat some lunch. I'm gonna come back and hot water this, put in a few accessories and do my baby hairs and relax for the day because I've been standing for hours. My back hurts, but it's worth it. My hair is done. I made it just in time for the sunsets. Just in time. Look at that princess. Look how beautiful that baby is up there. Wow. The best view. Look at that. So you guys, I finished my hair. There goes the final look. I finished my hair and I'm heading to school to pick up my son just in time. So I'll see you guys when I get back. This day has been crazy. Look at that shot, you guys. What a beauty. So beautiful.
It's my last of my pen.
Look who is back home taking off the uniform for the last time. Champion. Ah, I said champion and look what's written on your shirt. Champion. Last time taking off the uniform. Say bye uniform forever.
Bye, uniform forever.
That's how we do. All right. So you guys, we are back home and Tyler been telling me all about his excitement of school today. He said they made him a surprise in his class. Look at me. Look at my boobs and my clothes wet because of the hair.
You look like a Rasta.
As you see me say, Mama, you look like a Rasta. Because I'm a Rasta ja. Rastafari. Look at his face. Alright, you're about to show me what they did for you at school today. They draw all these things. Tell us, stop and have all day. They give you bon point. Who give you bon point?
Let's just put this in.
Okay. Hold on. This is from maternal or CP?
Maternal. I finished.
It's who did this?
Me.
Okay. Joyeux Noël. Merry Christmas. They said, Tyler, we hope that you have a good year in your new class. Everybody is so proud of you. We see you soon. The kids of the class, Sandrine and Maîtresse Sophie.
Mama.
Nos pères sont faits à toi. Oh. So everybody in the class make this for you? Oh my gosh. So all the kids draw.
Star Wars.
Okay, to the Mercy at Olimont?
Yes.
Good
Mama,
job.
look what they
You
did
have
at
to keep
school. I
these.
did this.
Alright, you guys, you know Pizza Friday is live. So you guys, maybe by the title you guys will know what I'm gonna do right now. But in case it's not in the title, Can you guess what I'm gonna do? I was just talking to my sister-in-law and I was like, but wait, it's the last weekend before Christmas. And we're going away for the Christmas to see the family. And I don't draw my sorry as yet. So, my Dutchie is on, girl. I have 2 pots on. My Dutchie and another big pot. And I'm gonna draw my sorrel. Yes. Hold on, the faves. Did the faves see you all day today? Look up. Look up. You're not gonna look up? You're just gonna come in my hand and watch the TV? And don't say hi to your friends? No? Give mama a kiss. Can mama have a kiss? I did peekaboo, I didn't say to hide. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Ah. You guys, I'm gonna draw my sorrel right now. And I don't like my sorrel how many Jamaicans make their sorrel. I like my sorrel simple and to the point. I like my sorrel with rum, sugar, the sorrel and ginger. But wait, may I have rum?
Yeah, I think I just saw one here. Yeah.
Okay, good. So my sorrel, I have 2 packs, so I'm just gonna do 1 pack up. 1 pack up. Can you say hello to the face?
Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is Friday night. This is Friday night. This is vacation time.
Baby's on vacation. Baby's on vacation. Baby's on vacation.
I'm gonna do Sarah dance.
Vacation. If you guys on Instagram, this is Sarah broken out on Instagram. Lone dance.
Hungry belly.
So baby's home, and I am going to. I don't like pimento in my sorrel, so don't ask me why I don't put pimento in my sorrel. I'm just gonna grate up my ginger. I was gonna blend it, but can't be bothered. Grate up my ginger and jeez, it's Sarah bedtime.
Yes, Papa.
No wonder why she come to my food crying. It's 15 minutes before 8. By 8 o'clock she has to
Sarah
be in
was
bed.
crying and you
Oh
completely forgot her.
gosh, this morning she was crying and I was in such a deep sleep. I did not hear her. Babe came in the room from the bathroom after finish showering for work and said, honey, wake up, you know you're Sarah crying. She in there crying until she turned pink. Yes, you were crying this morning. And you know Sarah don't cry, so you know and it was earlier than my wake up time. I guess that's why I didn't no, it was my wake up time was earlier than her wake up time. She would normally wake up like 8, but it was about 7:15 where my alarm would go off, and I did not hear my alarm this morning. I don't know what happened. Everything just went the way it shouldn't this morning when I'm to hear you. Anyway, enough of my rambling, eh? I'm going to grate my ginger, put it in the pot to boil, then I go get Sarah bath for bed. Papa have pizza, look. Papa, pizza? Have pizza? Oh, she gonna go down. You have pizza? Hehe, she gone. That's my trick to grate my ginger. So you guys, I put on 2 pots because I don't have much sorrel, so I can't draw much. So I just have 2 medium-sized pots that I'm going to use. Ginger strong. Ooh. Ginger strong. You guys feel great at ginger or you blend your ginger? Which one? I do both. But right now I don't feel like to wash a blender. Honestly, the grater is easier to wash right now. My kitchen clean. I'm really not in the mood to wash no blender. So, grater in it is.
Honey?
Yes, Ty? Oh, there's no more soap. You have to give me a new one. It's my fault. I'm the culprit to do that. So much ginger already. So I am going to make it draw overnight tonight. So I'm gonna I'm gonna add the ginger. Yes, honey.
Telling me if you shower kind of faster because you have good grades, you can play after.
Control Sarah, call her for pizza.
Sarah.
She can finish. The shower she wants to shower. Get her out the kitchen. Get her out the kitchen.
Pizza? Pizza? Sarah, you want pizza? Come for pizza.
I'm gonna add the ginger, let it boil, then put the sorrel in it, leave it overnight, and sweeten it tomorrow and freeze it, and I'm gonna carry some for my mother-in-law. I don't know if I'm carrying any for my father-in-law, but I think I'm gonna carry some for my mother-in-law. I'll tell you guys my Christmas planning a bit. I'll tell you guys my Christmas plans. Alright, ginger. I tell you guys how much I miss my mom every Christmas. I miss my mom at Christmas time more than any other time of the year. Because during Christmas time, my mom and I in the kitchen the most together. Me drawing the sorrel, me and her rubbing up the cake together. Oh gosh, I miss mommy so much. And it's the only time of the year that my mommy cooks for the entire family the most. Christmas Day is like my mother have a special touch when it come on to Christmas Day cooking. Oh my God. Christmas dinner. Mommy I cook that, me I guarantee you. Alright. So ginger in the dutchie. And I'm not gonna close it fully because when it start boil, I don't want it to run over. Same for this one. I'm gonna leave them like that. I'm gonna put them on medium heat because I don't want the ginger to get out of the pot. So yeah, by the time I go look after Sarah and come back, these should be boiling. Boiling. Alright guys, so this one been boiling for a while. Now I'm going to throw the sorrel in. And when I throw the sorrel in, I like to make the sorrel boil with it for a while before I turn it off. So here we go. Wow, goody sorrel. Goody sorrel. Why? Hey, dry sorrel. I want normal something, man. When it dry, just extra pretty. Alright. So I'm gonna let that boil a bit. I'm waiting on this one over here to boil. You guys, and that's where we end today's vlog. I'm just coming on to end it as I'm editing. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and there's always somebody saying mama excuse me. We'll see you guys tomorrow.